Welcome to the second in our series of video tutorials as to how you can work with the WordPress price comparison plugin. This particular video covers how you can define what fields appear on the pricing grid for your products. The example site again is shop.org, that's spelled 5hop.org. If you haven't already looked at it, take a look now. All of the videos in these tutorial series cover this actual website. So what we're going to do first of all is just have a quick look at one of the products. We're going to come into this Beowulf example product again. The anatomy of the product page on this particular template is as follows. We've got the product name at the top. You've then got the product description, which is taken from a feed, and you have a product image, which is also taken from the feed. And then underneath it, you've got the pricing grid, which, as you can see, has got merchant, image, subcategory, price, and the go to store button or the buy button. The wording that appears on that is entirely dependent on the template and is fully customizable. So what we're going to do is we are going to, first of all, take some information out of this grid and change it around a bit, and then what we're going to do is move the order that things appear in, just to show you how flexible the system really is and how quick it is to edit. So here we are, this is our product page. We're going to come into the back end of shop.org now. We're going to scroll down to the WordPress price comparison plugin management area and select the field select / order screen. So this will come up in a second. And as you can see, we have got the same fields listed here, merchant logo, image, subcategory, price, and buy, as we do here, merchant, image, subcategory, price, and buy. Now, if we wanted to, for instance, remove the subcategory, all we would need to do is uncheck it. So that has now unchecked the subcategory, and we're just going to save that. If I now come back into this screen here, and we just do a quick refresh of the screen, you will see that the subcategory has now gone, and that is how easy it was to remove it. What I'm going to do is just quickly come back now, add the subcategory back in, and what we're going to do now is decide exactly where the subcategory is going to go. So to achieve that, all we need to do is hold down on the left mouse button and drag it, and as you can see, I can now move the subcategory to wherever we want it. So let's just say we want it before the image. Let's just drop it off there and press save. Come back into the price grid, do another refresh, and you will see that the subcategory has appeared before the image. So we can do the same with all of the rest of the information on here. It's very, very easy. If we just want to move the merchant logo to the end just before the buy URL, we just drag that down there. Again, press save, and we'll refresh this, and the merchant logo should now be appearing on the opposite side. So that just gives you a quick idea as to how easy it is to customize the results that you get from your WordPress price comparison plugin. It's a super simple system to get managed once you've got your templates. You can also choose from the screen what field you want to order it by. This is quite important for certain products, like say for instance concert tickets, something that we do a lot of sites here internally. We want to order that by the date of the concert, not necessarily by the price. So that's an important feature. And you can also choose your custom fields here and sort them as you want them to appear. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to discover how to set up custom fields and how to get them working on your site so that you can get them exactly the way that you want them. Thanks for listening.